On the Debate at 10, presented by Reliance Jio, powered by Havells, Gioni, style partner Raymond's.
Welcome back. For over 36 hours now, Republic TV has been reporting non-stop from the epicenter of communal violence in Bosirhat, a town facing communal violence that just surprisingly went unreported by the rest of the national media. Following the debate last evening on Republic, the focus is back, and we continue with our team of reporters to question Mamata Banerjee. Pictures don't lie, and nor does the suffering of the people who face the brunt. Bosirhat tonight tells you the ugly story of polarization under Mamata's watch in West Bengal. One thing at the start of the debate I want to say tonight, let's not mince words. There is a communal situation in Bengal. There has been Hindu-Muslim tension in Bengal. There is radical Islam which has been spread within Bengal. Radical Islamists are on the loose in Bengal. The situation has been left unchecked by Mamata Banerjee. There have been innumerable instances of communal violence within Bengal. Police stations have been attacked, and the Hindu community is being targeted in large parts of Bengal. Buses have been set on fire in the past, nothing has been done. Police vehicles have been burnt. I don't know what Mamata Banerjee needs to wake up. What shocked me completely was the fact that there was almost a media clampdown on the communal incidents in Bengal, and that's what shocks me. Joining me tonight, Union Minister of State for Heavy Industry and Public Enterprises and senior BJP leader from Bengal, Babul Supriyo. Dr. Taslim Ahmad Rahmani is joining the debate. Sunit Chopra of the CPIM. Syed Shah Ataf Ali Al-Qadri, Chairman of the All India Minority Unity Council. M.R. Venkatesh from Chennai, and Gaurav Bhatia is joining us of the BJP as well. First, I want to open up the debate by asking, at this stage, Babul Supriyo and Syed Shah Ataf Ali Qadri to come in. Is there a communal situation in Bengal or not? Are we in denial about it? I want to start by asking you, Mr. Babul Supriyo. Is there a communal situation or not? And who do you blame for it?
Yes, there is. And the reason is because being a Hindu in West Bengal is a crime. You cannot be part of the majority.
Why?
Because the minority actually is are the people who actually keeps Mamata Banerjee in power, and she has been playing with fire for a very long time. भाई आपके खिलाफ मेरा कुछ नहीं है. मेरा सिर्फ इतनी विनती है कि the criminals, they don't have a religion. You know, it is the job of the Chief Minister to not do press conference in the Secretariat, putting blame games on BJP, on governor or the governor, using uncouth language. हम लोगों को तो वहाँ पे जाने का इजाज़त नहीं मिलेगी. We are not going to be given the permission to go there. We are going to be blamed for inciting more communal violence. Why doesn't the Chief Minister go there? She is known to visit accident spots, standing by people. Let her go there, ask the police to at least do their job. The guy who has made this deplorable post, मैं आपसे क्षमा मांगता हूँ कि बहुत ही घटिया पोस्ट किया है. उसको आप लॉ से we have a law of the land. Let him be punished and example be set for people who are misusing social media. But how can you go and blame BJP for inciting that, for planning that, for having a conspiracy?
No, but why do you say no? On one point,
if the governor has at all reprimanded,
on one point, you say Chief Minister can't take sides. It's a serious comment, M.R. Venkatesh, when he says that in Bengal it's a crime to be a Hindu today. You have a central minister who's saying that today, that in Bengal it's a crime to be a Hindu.
Why wouldn't
Mr. Qadri, yes, Mr. Qadri. Yes, Mr. Qadri. You want to respond to that? Mamata Banerjee is often accused of Muslim appeasement.
Let me ask you.
Let's be direct.
Yeah,
repeated appeasement.
No. It is not a Muslim appeasement. It is not a matter of Muslim appeasement or appeasement of any religion. मैं इसे अपीजमेंट की नजर में देखता ही नहीं हूं. अगर इसे आप अपीजमेंट बोलेंगे तो बंगाल में क्या कोई अनएम्प्लॉय मुसलमान नहीं है? All have got their rights.
No.
Do you think that अभी भी मुसलमान के साथ अन्याय हो रहा है? Listen to me, मुसलमान अभी तक हम लोगों को अपना हक नहीं मिला है, चाहे वो कोई भी सरकार क्यों ना हो. अभी तक हम लोगों को अपना हक नहीं मिला है. तो मुस्लिम अपीजमेंट का अगर बात करें तो मैं एकदम आपके साथ सहमत नहीं हूं.
No,
I would like to respond.
है ही नहीं.
No, we
ये
have.
एक ऐसा इशू है कि ये धर्म का इशू है. कि listen,
You know,
मुझे
now I would like to respond to him.
अगर कोई हमारे बिलीफ काबा शरीफ या मदीना शरीफ का फोटो बना के अगर गलत तरीके से उसको प्रेजेंट करे या कोई अगर मुसलमान
but that doesn't allow you. That does not. No, but that doesn't allow you. No, Mr. Qadri.
दो कम्युनिटी को लड़ा दिया
Mr. Qadri.
और कुछ नहीं है इसमें. ममता बनर्जी
Mr. Qadri.
taking a
Mr. Qadri. Yes, 1 second. Gaurav Bhatia.
हम लोग सेक्युलर
Gaurav Bhatia.
हमको सेक्युलरिज्म चाहिए भाई. आप
Arnab, the sad part is that Mamata Banerjee's appeasement politics has reached its lowest point. The police was asked not to act because had the police acted against the minority perpetrator of crime, then Mamata Banerjee feared she would lose her minority vote bank. And what did the High Court say about Mamata Banerjee's policy during Durga Puja when she said that idols can only be immersed in water till 4 p.m.? I would quote, the High Court, Calcutta High Court said there has been a clear endeavor on part of the state government to pamper and appease the minority section of the public at the cost of the majority section without there being any plausible justification. The reason therefore is, however, not so far to seek. That means the High Court itself recognized that Mamata Banerjee's government is indulging in minority politics. And Mamata Banerjee is the same leader who calls the governor a BJP worker.
MR Venkatesh. MR Venkatesh. No. We have to be. No, watch. MR Venkatesh and Sunit Chopra. MR Venkatesh and Sunit Chopra. MR Venkatesh.
Those people who are minority.
MR Venkatesh. I go back to Babul Supriyo's.
Shanti Baini, who are they going to be? The civil dress police? Who are going to accompany the party cadre to meet up with the... Bring this. Ask me this.
No.
Answer this. Why? Has the Chief Minister accepted that the police has failed? And if they have failed, why aren't the paramilitary forces being deployed?
No.
Simple.
I add to
you
the question.
People, why? Boss, you have the law and order with you. It is a state subject. Work for the state. You have the law and order in your hand. You arrest whoever you want. You put them in the jail. Bring the public into peace. Let peace prevail. We can deal with BJP, Trinamool, CPM later.
No.
Answer my simple question. Why Shanti Baini? Why Shanti Baini? What is the police doing?
Simple question.
What central minister?
Simple question.
I am a human being first. I am a human being first.
Mr. Qadri.
What central minister you are talking about? I am not a minister.
Ataf Ali Qadri is answering you.
What is the central minister?
Jawab dijiye. Babul Supriyo ko jawab dijiye.
Let me ask you. In India, we have police, we have military, we have so many defense system. But why? What is the necessity of making Gorakshak? आपका सब कुछ होने के बावजूद भी आपने गोरक्षक क्यों बनाया? क्योंकि क्या
come on, answer my question.
Who's legitimized Gorakshak?
This is the question.
Who's legitimized Gorakshak?
मैं एक मिसाल दे रहा हूँ. मैं एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. सब सिस्टम रहने के बावजूद भी आपने गोमाता को डिफेंस करने के लिए आपको ने डिफेंस कमेटी बनाया. उसी तरीके से ममता बनर्जी पुलिस के रहते हुए भी शांति कमेटी बना रही है. जस्ट टू से के मैं मतलब ये जो हो रहा है मैं इसके खिलाफ हूँ. पुलिस भी कोशिश कर रही है और इसके अलावा और भी एक साइड बाय साइड
आप जो कह रहे हैं आप उसे सुन रहे हैं.
जिम्मेदारी है. जिस तरीके से आर्मी है, डिफेंस है, सब कुछ है. आपने गोरक्षक बनाया गोमाता को सपोर्ट देने के लिए. तो भाई आप गोरक्षक गोमाता बनाएंगे तो हम क्या इंसान को बचाने क्या कमेटी बना नहीं सकते? मैं अपना पर्सनल बात कर रहा हूँ. मैं ममता जी का बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. वो क्या बोलिए वो उनका पर्सनल बात है. मैं पर्सनल बता रहा हूँ कि मेरा कहना यह है कि आप
यहाँ पे आप वो बात क्यों कर रहे हैं?
अच्छी बात है आप सपोर्ट करें मगर मेरा कहना
है कि
हम लोगों को हिंदुस्तानी को चाहिए कि कमेटी बनाए जो मतलब
No, I'm going to take a break.
Presented by Geo Digital Life. Powered by Havells, making a difference. Powered by Gionee A1 Super Selfie Super Battery. In-style partner Raymond, the complete man. in association with Paytm, in association with Just Dial.
And welcome back. You're with me, Arnab Goswami, here on the debate on Republic, and that's the person on your screen. His name is Babul Supriyo. He is Union Minister of State for Heavy Industry and Public Enterprises. Made a controversial comment right at the start of the debate where he says, today in Bengal, it's a crime to be a Hindu. That is the fourth placard he's holding up. Fourth placard. Suneet Chopra will respond to him. Now, what does this say? There's an interesting form. Yes, what does your fourth placard say? Go on, Babul.
Holding long press conferences, making bizarre allegations, and it is still continuing. Derek O'Brien is tweeting one after the other. Where is the stat? Can she show me? How is she blaming the BJP? How many BJP workers have been arrested for rioting there? No one, there is no data on that. Please talk logic, come on. Let's go beyond politics and talk logic. Let's talk for the people, about the people, about a state government playing blatant politics, appeasement politics.
Ataf Ali Al-Qadri is responding.
Give me some data.
Let me answer you. I have a very simple question to you. आप हमें ये बताइए कि आप ही के दल के एक लीडर आप हमें वोट दें, मुसलमानों के जाकर उन्होंने बताया कि आप हमें वोट दें, मैं आपको गाय का मीट खिलाऊंगा, अच्छा लंबा चौड़ा गाय का गोश्त खिलाऊंगा। आप ही के लीडर ने कहा था, क्या वो मुस्लिम तुष्टीकरण नहीं है? आप हमें बताइए। आप कह रहे हैं कि अगर हिंदुस्तान में रहना है तो सबको जय सियाराम बोलना पड़ेगा। अगर मैं बोलूं हिंदुस्तान में रहना है सबको नारे तकबीर बोलना पड़ेगा, तो फिर हम लोग आपस में लड़ते रहेंगे ना। आपने बाबरी मस्जिद तोड़ दिया, आपने गोरक्षक के नाम पर बेगुनाह मुसलमान को मार दिया, तो भाई क्या हिंदुस्तान में मुसलमान होना गुनाह है? अब बताइए, कल क्या हम बताइए?
मैं आपसे बताऊं, अभी अयूब पंडित आपसे पूछ ले कि अयूब पंडित मारा गया हमारे भारत का एक पुलिस अफसर, तो आपके मुंह पे ताले लग जाएंगे। अगर 17 साल का जो बच्चा है उसको कानून के तहत सजा मिलेगी, लेकिन वो सजा भी मिलेगी कि नहीं, ये ममता बनर्जी तब।
Time up on the debate. Once again, an assurance to our viewers that yesterday, I want to say this, reporting from Bashirat is not easy. I want to tell you this. Our Republic TV crew was attacked. Our reporters were assaulted. Our outside broadcast van was attacked. It's unfortunate today that if the media can take risks and go there, we in the media also should say collectively, no bunch of volunteers can handle law and order situation. Only the paramilitary troops can. May Mamta see some sense on this. I thank you for joining me on debate number 2 tonight. Debate number 2 is ending now, and on the other side, I want to quickly remind you live coverage of Narendra Modi's